the question is, how can I improve my English speaking or conversation?
Okay.
Yeah, step by step, from where I began.
So right now you've taken the first step.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
So you're already on the path to success.
Okay.
And then what I'm just going to do for you now, Ali, I'll drop a link into the chat. I'm going to drop you a link for a YouTube channel.
Okay.
And this is the BBC. Now,
News.
the BBC, they have their own English learning channel.
Great.
And the beauty of this particular channel, Ali, is they cover every kind of topic. So I've just got the link.
Okay. Great. BBC Learning English.
Yeah. They cover literally, if you go to the channel, you can, within the channel itself, there's everyday conversation.
Great.
They then will specialize obviously on specific parts of grammar. If you believe, you're having a problem, they have activities, they deal with world events. It is an excellent website.
Okay, I will search for it.
And the thing as well, Ali, is with the teachers they use on this particular website, they have to speak perfect English. It's the BBC.
Yeah,
okay.
Of course.
So that's tip number one.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Tip number two is easy. Yeah. Tip number two is, if I said to you, what kind of music do you enjoy?
Well, I don't know the types of music, so I cannot.
So what? Any particular singer or band that
singer?
You enjoy?
Well, I'm not good in music.
All right. Okay. Well, I'll put the tip. You can think afterwards.
Well, I asked some tutors about listening to music or songs. They didn't advise me because I don't know, but they speak fast or something. They just advise in listening to cartoon movies instead of songs.
Okay, so let's say, for example, I don't know if you know this particular tip that you can do.
Okay.
So let's say, for example, you take the name of a song.
Okay.
So you put, I'll just put it in the caption again. So you put the song name, and then after the name, you type the word.
Lyrics. Okay. The words of the song.
So yeah. So now what you will get is the song, but you will then be able to follow the lyrics and the words, the words of the song. So not only do you learn the song, but the song will have more meaning because you can follow it. All right.
So I get the lyrics of the songs and see their meaning and hear the song.
Some of them don't mean anything. Some of the songs, you know yourself, the songs are bad. So it's just.
Yeah, I get the point.
And again, obviously, watching movies, but you can turn the captions on.
Okay.
So again, if you watch anything on YouTube, there's a section you can put CC, captions.
Yeah, it's the English caption.
Yeah.
Okay.
What else could I recommend? Okay, here's a good tip for pronunciation. Use your phone.
Okay.
And record yourself.
And then hear my voice.
And then play it back. Now, I noticed you actually chose a lesson on public speaking. One of the things I always tell every student, Ali, is record yourself, because you will be very critical of yourself.
Great.
When you listen to yourself, you'll be like, oh my God.
Yeah. Even if I record my voice in my native language. Yeah, great.
Now, this actually ties in very well with public speaking, Ali, because when we get embarrassed listening to our own voice, that is one of the reasons we're afraid of public speaking, because we're worried about what other people think about us.
Okay.
How do I sound? You know.
Okay. Okay. The first step is to go to the BBC Learning English. The second step is to listening to lyrics of the sounds.
Yeah.
Third step is to recording your voice and play it back to hear it. Okay.
Watch videos with captions.
Watch videos. Yeah, watch videos. Like TED Talks.
Yes, but again, what you need to do, Ali, is find talks that are at the level where you are. If you find something they're speaking too quickly, or it's too technical, then it's not going to help you.
Okay, so PPC, they speak with high level?
Yes, they speak. They have different levels on the BBC. So you can generally choose the level where you are, and then you can listen to that video. The other thing is, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
How did you learn to speak your language?
Well, I learned my English when I was in
not English, not your native language.
Okay, I just grow up and hear my parents and my family talking. I start talk. That is.
So there you go. You listened and you repeated.
Yeah, I listened to them.
It's the same with English. The more you listen to things and you repeat it,
okay,
you will start to sink in.
Great. So I have to surround myself with English.